What's going on YouTube, and thanks for coming back for another video. Alrighty guys, so I'm finally back in the backyard, and today I want to kind of cover reseed a couple little bare spots, but I'm going to be using a product that I've never used myself, but I've seen it a lot in stores. So let's go take a look at what I'm talking about. Alrighty guys, so here's the product I've been talking about. It's called Scott's eZseed Patch and Repair. So basically this is like a 3-in-1. It's going to come with your grass seed, fertilizer, and it's going to come in with mulch. So this is going to be when you water it, it's going to kind of cover your seed, but as well as like kind of keep the seed wet. And so I've seen it, like I said, many times. I just never personally tried it myself, but I decided, you know what, let me go ahead and try this out, because I'm assuming, I'm thinking a lot of people are wondering the same, does this actually work or not? So we're gonna go ahead and find out, guys. We're gonna use this back here and see if we get any good results. Alright guys, so before we go ahead and throw this down, I'm gonna go ahead and mow the lawn. I'm gonna take it down a notch, or maybe a little more than a notch that I normally would cut it, because we're gonna try to stay off this lawn as long as possible. So we don't want the grass getting really long or all around it, and then we can't really mow until this comes in. So we're gonna go ahead and mow it nice and short, prep the soil, throw the seed on top, and then we'll water it, and hopefully in about 2 weeks we'll start seeing some results. Alright guys, now that we're done mowing, I'm gonna go ahead and rake up the bare spots real quick, because I might have some dead grass and stuff like that. And then I'm gonna use the little disc cultivator that I have. Gonna go ahead and hit these areas up and throw the seed on top. Okay guys, so next we're just gonna go ahead and sprinkle this on. It does say on the bottle to just apply it, but still you can barely see the bare ground. Like, you want the bare ground to be still visible, because once you water it, the mulch that's in it is gonna expand up to like 4 times. So you don't want to put too much, and it's gonna smother the grass seed. So you want to sprinkle it, not too much, and then once you water it, that mulch is gonna expand. And it's gonna keep it's gonna keep the grass wet, as well as cover your seed. So you know how normally you would throw grass seed down and then you either put peat moss or cow manure or straw? Well, with this you don't have to. You're just gonna sprinkle it on and water it. You're gonna water as needed, and we should be good. So let's go ahead and sprinkle some on all these areas, and we'll water it in. Alrighty guys, so we're all done. Last step, go ahead and water it, and we're just going to water as needed. Alrighty guys, so this is to be the update. This is what, a little over 3 weeks, I want to say now, or about 3 weeks. So on the bottle it said in about 14 days you'll see germination, and which I did see about 14 days. I saw this. But that's, to be honest, that's kind of where it's been at for a while now. And this little area is like the only area that got really good germination. All these other ones, there's nothing in them, no germination whatsoever, except this right here. Just that. Yeah, but all the little other little spots, nothing came out. So, but I'm gonna show you guys this other little area where I just threw seed down. I didn't cover it with peat moss or nothing. I just threw seed down and just went over with the tiller a little bit, and check out the results. So to me, this actually looks a little better than the other area where we used the eZseed. And I saw germination on those on this area, I noticed a germination, I would say about a day or two before I noticed this one over here. But roughly about 10 days, but I didn't really notice this one until about a day after that area back there. But to be honest, guys, I think you're better off just buying grass seed and, you know, using pea moss or something to cover up yourself. I think the eZseed, it might come in handy for like really small areas. I just did this area just to really test it out, and even this little area, I don't really think it did a great job, to be honest. Even as I was pouring it out, like, you can see that there was very little seed. It's mostly the mulch that was in the little bin. But yeah, I wouldn't recommend using this. I mean, you could go ahead and give it a try yourselves if you like, but to be honest, you're better off just buying the grass seed and then something to cover it. I think it works a little better, guys. But there you have it. So yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and cover this up with just some regular seed, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get better results than this. Alrighty, guys, well, thanks for watching this video, and please, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.